place where you are. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, my friends. Hi, good morning, ma. Ma, good morning, ma. Very well, you? Black Fox. Okay, okay, wait, let me check. Hey, I never sent them. I would have sold my own yesterday. Hmm? No, I went and bought from another person. Dad, see this girl. See this money. She's screaming, Dad. Eh. At the blessing, is that you passing like a ghost? Take me to the place where you are. I just wanna be. Dad, answer your daughter now. This is so healthy. So very healthy. Take me to the place where you are. I just wanna be with you. This is how I wash my own. So any sound or getting will go off. Should I call it there? I remember first time I washed pumpkin leaf. I was using two hands to wash it like this. My mother came. Say, hey, it's not like this. I think I was 7 years old. Hey, whatever you are doing to a child, once they are from 5 years old, they keep memory, or the memory keeps record. I can vividly remember what happened to me when I was 6 years old, 5 years plus. So whatever you are doing around the child, have this at the back of your mind that anything you do to that child from age 5 plus, they tend to remember it throughout their lifestyle. Their lifetime, please. Hey, kitchen time over. When this drain some water, I'll package for consumption. Take me to the place where you were. Next time you see me refurbished.